And in the interview process, he will be the one who will be selected and not you, because you do not have the confidence. That is what we will be looking into. Even if he doesn't know, we will select because he has the guts to come up and say that I have done this. How will we know? How will we separate the one person from the other? There will be 1,000 applications. So just be honest and stand up and say whatever you have.
करता हूं, इसको बी को मिश्रित करेंगे, मतलब क्या लिखेंगे? डॉक्यूमेंट या राइट बाय आईडी, क्योंकि इसके पास आईडी है, राइट? आईडी का नाम क्या डालेंगे? बी, ठीक है? ओके, देखो दोनों चीज हमने सेव किया, इसको गेट किया थ्रू इट्स क्लास नेम एंड इसको गेट किया थ्रू इट्स आईडी, ठीक है? ओके, रिप्लेस करते हैं। देखो आईडी वाला जो है यहाँ पे आपके सामने आ गया, H1 आ गया, मतलब हमने सही क्या एलिमेंट को हिट किया।
Like I'm building that app from scratch.
You are building the application, but for whom? Who are the end users? You are thinking from the perspective of a student, not from the end user. Your project will be used by someone. What is his need? What is his wants? You have to first identify that. That is the requirement.
We are going to create a dynamic iOS application. Then also we need full stack. If three things comes like web application, Android application, and iOS application, and the developer is ready to deliver all these three things, then
आप जितना कोडिंग सीख लीजिए, आपका पर्सनैलिटी में डेवलप नहीं हुआ है, आप बोल नहीं पाए आपका कोडिंग को, आपका क्रिएटिविटी को, there is no point of learning all these things. तो हम लोग अपने कोर्स में apart from the technical part, and also and he's not coming to the front. No one was there that day. So these are 5th semester students, right?
The instruction that I try to experiment more. Don't just attend, try to observe, and don't build the projects or code, try to build your confidence. So thank you all. And once again, I welcome to the delegates from the .code Institute Bhubaneswar. As I have talked with the CEO sir that he is going to conduct one placement drive in the upcoming 2 to 3 days of next week, because his client is in foreign countries, especially German countries. So he is looking for 4 to 5 software professionals for that. So today and tomorrow he is going to have this workshop session for all of you. But one day or Tuesday, hopefully, we will conduct that.
Really a valuable experience for us. The most of the things we don't know, but they enabled us to learn that. So thank you to the team .code and mostly to the Chandan sir for giving us much knowledge about this web development. So thank you sir. Thank you.
और सभी क्लासमेट्स और सीनियर भाई लोगों को, तो जब हमारे ग्रुप में मैडम और सर बताए थे तो हम लोग ये नहीं पता था कि इंटर्नशिप होने वाला है, तो हम लोग आए हुए थे कि कोड का जो हम लोग आएंगे और सीखेंगे। तो जो सर सिखाए थे बहुत अच्छा सिखाए थे, ऐसा नहीं था कि एकदम शुरू पे सिखाया फिर एकदम फास्ट था, लेकिन जो
CSC department and including .code for providing such opportunity. At that day, we were not aware that such things will be appearing in front of us.
First of all, thanks to ECAD, HOD sir, Vice Principal sir, everyone present over here, and .code team. For the last 2 days, we have been running on one stack for web development. And basically today, at the beginning, I came to know that.
जैसे कि .code से जैसे हुआ था हम लोग का 2 days workshop, it's literally बहुत अच्छा था। मैं सबको पर्सनली ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग यहाँ पे कोर्स कीजिए, जैसे कि हमारे बेच के जो रणजीत जो हायर हुए हैं,
उनको कैसे कंटेक्ट करेंगे प्लेसमेंट करके, फिर हमें इंस्टांट बोले कि बैठो सब लोग, फिर 1 hour तक था, इसमें हम लोग पार्टिसिपेट भी किया, इतना आया था कि परफॉर्मेंस, फिर शॉर्टलिस्ट भी हुए 5 जन, फिर गए फाइनल राउंड में, वहाँ पर इंटरव्यू हुआ हम लोगों का, उनमें से जैसे कि रंजित